Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I'm here with an incoming swap from Cindy. And Cindy is in the group Craft Swapping Sisterhood with me. And I will leave the group below. And if Cindy has any social media, I will leave it below as well. So please check out the description box because it usually has a little bit more information, like links to groups and people and places and things. So this swap was, we had to make 3 paper tassels and attach them to something. So it could be a purse, it could be some kind of pocket, it could be anything. You just had to make 3 paper tassels and they had to be made out of paper. So here is the package. And it was interesting because there wasn't an even amount of people to swap with in this one. And so we had to do like a round robin. So you'll notice like in my video where I'm sending mine out, I'm sending mine to Patricia. So that's why someone else is sending theirs to me. So we have this pretty elastic, which I will definitely reuse on an album for sure. Oh, how pretty. Let's get away. I love this. Look how it has like a little, kind of like a box type thing going on. And that ribbon is so pretty. So let's see what we have. Oh, how cute. So she almost made it like a little like clipboard in a way. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And she has little charms on them. I love them. And the paper that she used is so pretty. I love that gold like tab she has. And let's see what she wrote. She says, Wendy, hello. I hope you enjoy what I created, Cindy. I am enjoying it, Cindy. This is so pretty. So let's see what we have in here. When you stop and look around, life is pretty amazing. Oh, look at that. What are those birds called? Is that a pelican? That's pretty. Oh, she put all kinds of little goodies in here. Did I get everything out? It feels heavy. I think it feels heavy because it's got that card on the front. Okay. Oh, she sent me some little itty bitty clamps for the ribbon tassels. Nice. Thank you. These are going to go good on my 4th of July project. Some stars, some gold stars with flags. I'm going to put that over with all my, I have all my 4th of July stuff on a tray because I'm working on it right now. And oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. Super adorable. Love that little hotel. Sunny and bright. Vacation to remember. And then what is this? These are adhesive gems. This is super pretty. And then here we have, what is this? Envelopes. Angel's Craft DIY supplies. Those are so cute. Thank you, Cindy. That was so fun. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I received in the paper tassel swap. Please, like I said, go down below. We'll see if Cindy has any social media. We'll link it below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.